Cousin Eric and Baby Bud gonna do the habanero challenge. I got 4 habaneros and you got 10. My timer is 3. We got 10 minutes. That's time limit. See who don't drink nothing before we got to. I'm gonna win. In 3. No shit. 3, 2, 1, go. Going. Last one. Feel the heat, baby. So we got 10 minutes, then I gotta do another 2 more. Oh, excuse me. Give me hiccups. I gotta do the aftermath with the another 2 short videos to show you what happens. Woo! You alright, baby?
Yeah.
Give me the fucking hiccups. But I ate 4. He only had 10. I got the biggest ones I had. Like and subscribe to my channel. The more likes, the more subscribers. I'm do live videos with my cousin Baby Bud. That's his nickname. Thank you. Have a kick in. Woo! Oh yeah. Feel that heat. Keeps Bell up too. Oh yeah. You feeling sweat? Nose running a little bit. Feeling like a mud liquor. I can do it. I don't know about him.